Are you having trouble figuring out what to write or organizing your blog content on your company's website? Well, you're going to want to watch this week's Frontier Marketing Tip of the Week. Hey everyone, Joe here, and today I'm talking about a nifty thing you can do to organize your content. It's more than just nifty, it's really valuable in the eyes of Google. It's using pillar pages and topic clusters to organize your content. Now, what are pillar pages and topic clusters, you might be wondering? Well, first off, let's talk about pillar pages. Pillar pages are big, robust pieces of cornerstone content that cover one topic as thoroughly as you possibly can. So basically, thinking about it from your business's perspective, let's say you have a few different services your business offers. A pillar page would be on one of those services, and it would cover all of the questions your customers might have. Now, you may be wondering, okay, that sounds great, but how do I figure out what questions my customers are asking? Well, one way you could do is obviously ask your customers what questions they have. But another is to do Lsi Keyword Research, which if you're not sure what that is, you're in luck because we have a video on that, and you can check that out in the link below. But once you've created this big, robust piece of content that covers all of the questions, it doesn't do it in an in-depth way, obviously. You're just going to be very brief about each of them, but it's an overview basically. Now you can start creating topic clusters around that pillar, which are basically shorter blog posts about different topics covered in the pillar page. So if you covered a certain question in the pillar page that briefly that your customers have, now you create a blog about that and go a little more in depth. And then you link that blog back to the pillar page, and you link the pillar page to the blog. In that way, you'll show Google that your site is very organized. It's organized around big, robust pieces of content with more in-depth blogs around it. That's why it's called topic clusters. So if you have any questions about that, or you'd like us to help you get your content organization going, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. And be sure to subscribe because we got more videos coming. Thanks for watching.